no dey. They go run no. My money no dey. If your money no dey, you no get friends again. I don't come with my product. Oh. They go pick race. Say you no get money, friends. If you guys they give them, if nobody then they go run. This business opportunity here, where you say get extra money, extra income. There. Don't let them they run because the money no dey. Let them see you say yes, this money dey. Yeah. 60 euro, you are good to go. You become your own boss. You become your own boss. Work at home. Let's go focus on. If money no dey, nobody here I love you. Yeah. Be your own boss, yeah? Okay. Okay. Let's get into the business. Yeah. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are watching from. I am here again to talk about this business opportunity. The business opportunity that I've been talking about ever since. I'm here to talk about it and to show you the product and what the product is used for. So my people, this business that I'm talking about is a legit business. A business that is, as in you can do at the comfort of your home, without no stress, without you being stressing yourself up and down, going this and that. You want to go and post for people, you want to go and no. You are just in your house, placing order. Even people will be placing order in your store, in your website, and the company will be the one to ship it to them. You don't even have stress. They are the one that if the company will be the one that they will even collect the money for you from the debtors, or you don't have to do anything. They will be the one to go for the money. They will be the one to send the goods. All you need to do is for you to just sit in your home and start viewing who enter into your website to order goods. So this business opportunity is what everybody can do. It's what everybody, even men, are doing it. Ladies, you can do it. 60 euro is just what we can afford, which I believe we can afford it. All those the big girls. You can't say 60 euro is our problem. And I can't be here to come and tell you people that you should join this business opportunity because I want to scam you people with 60 euro. No. I joined this business and I see that this business is just a legit business. They give you everything you need to get as a partner, as a franchise partner. They'll give you everything you need to get. They'll give you the form to fill. You have everything as a partner with them. They sign you in without knowing that this is not a legit business or people are just scamming people. No, this business is just 100% legit. So my people, to tell you about this product is one of the best. If I'm talking about the best, is the best. Is what everybody need, not one particular person that need this. Maybe it's because you are sick, you need this product. No, it's for everybody. So far we are living on this earth. We need fruits and vegetables for us to live long and for our body to be looking good all the time. We all buy fruits in the market. We all eat vegetables. So this is what the product contains. It has nothing like chemicals or anything in it. So why can't you people join this business opportunity and see how you can make money, and you can even help people out there that are suffering from one kind or other diseases. So my people, this business is nothing like it is fake or they just want to collect my money. No, they are real. They are real. It's legit and real business. I can 100%. So 60 euro is not what we cannot afford. We are using more than 60 euro slippers. Even our slippers, our Gucci slippers, is more than 60 euro. Talk less of our wears, our hair, our makeups. We are more than that. 60 euro is just not, and the 60 euro is just for your registration. At the following month, they will pay you more than that your 60 euro. For you to make extra income, is not is even though you are working, doesn't stop you. It would be like plan B. Get a plan B. It's a plan B for you people, because if you are working, they will pay you salary once the month end. Once this plan B online business too, the month on the 10th they used to pay. They don't used to owe money. This is on the 10th of every month they must pay you your salary. So if you receive salary from this your plan A work, on the plan B too, you'll be expecting on the 10th, you'll be expecting your money also. So that's why I'm here to say that you people should, we can do it. Even stay at home mother, we are not doing anything. We can just pick up our phones and upload these pictures. Let some people outside your country even see it and say, I really need this thing. No, this thing is working. Many people message me from outside Italy. Not only Italy, yes. So you can still make it for people to come and tell you, this product, I need it. This thing is really disturbing me. I don't know how to go about it. You explain to them that this is how we go, this is how you go. Because I have one lady who was telling me that this business, it doesn't know how to tell people, because most of them said the product is not working. The product is working because the booster that we are talking about, is not a chemical. It's not an acid. You understand? Once you are taking it, you need to work on your own self before you can see the results. Even though you are sick and you go to the hospital, you can't just go there and say, I'm now in the hospital, and now immediately that sickness that you brought you to the hospital will just vanish. No, you have to go through some analysis before they will get to what is wrong with you. You have to go for tests to do you this and that before they will know what exactly is wrong with you. So this booster of a thing is not an acid that wants to take because you have big tummy. Now you take it for 2 days, 3 days, you are expecting the tummy to disappear. I can't tell you that, because if I said that to you, I'm lying. The product is not a chemical. It's not acid that will shrink you. When you drink it, it will shrink all those belly away. No, it will work gradually. This booster, if you are like you want to reduce your weight, you are on diet, this product make you look good. You are on diet, you won't. If you are taking other drugs that make you diet, or because you want to diet, you are taking any other thing that immediately maybe in 2 weeks you see yourself lean, or you see yourself losing the weight, it will be shrinking you. Some people don't look shatter, they will look old because they are on diet, because you are not eating normal food. So people say, because I'm on diet, I will just be eating once in a day. No, you are starving yourself, my sisters. You are on diet, you need to eat for that your 3 square meals, you need to finish it. You eat breakfast, you eat your lunch and your dinner. Why? Because if you are dieting, that doesn't mean you should not eat. You only eat one, or you eat half a day, a full day. No, you will be eating your healthy food. You can eat fruit, you can take vegetables, salad, you can eat it belly full, make look good that yes, I'm okay. You eat it. That is why they made the booster. Say if you are on diet, you take this booster. Once you take the booster, you can take it for that 30 minutes. You'll be doing your ass shop that you need to do. After doing it 30 minutes, and you can take it, and after the 30 minutes you use this booster, then you go and blend your fruits. You that you want to really reduce all the food you have been eating ever since, the rice, the salad, the rice, the pounded yam, the yam, all of them that you've been eating. Now that you are on this GP, why can't you leave that in a little bit, a little of it, you reduce it. Like, let me see this work. Let me see, maybe this thing really works. And they used to talk, oh, I really want to know. Because if you are eating that food, you can't even know maybe the thing is working or it's not working. I'm serious. You cannot even know maybe it's working. So for you to say the food that you've already been eating ever since you used to eat the vegetable, the pounded yam, the egusi soup all over, since the chicken, or then, and now you are on this GP, now you want to really know maybe the thing is working, you need to reduce the food. After taking this booster, just go to your supermarket, buy different type of fruits, blend it. If you know you have you really want to do it, you take this shake, you pour it inside, one cup of it, you blend it, you drink it that morning for your breakfast. You can chill the milk, you can put it in the fridge. If you like, you use milk, 0%, or you use water, any one of your choice. You blend it, you can fill your cup, you drink it, you'll be full. Then you can do whatever you want to do. You won't be hungry, you won't be finding food, unnecessary food that you want to put in your mouth, because you'll be full already. And those vegetables, all those fruits that you took, they're working all over your body. Then in the afternoon, for your lunch, you can prepare your food. There's something light food, and that they are healthy. You can go for vegetables, you cook it to your taste, you eat it, then you look good. In the night, for your dinner, if you want to eat, you can still go for any healthy food. You can go for fish, protein, you can eat them and look okay. Leave those heavy food aside. Then you see maybe this booster is really working or not. You will really reduce those waste. You will reduce those waste, the weight that you have, you will reduce it. Now that is the work of the booster. The booster is not magic. These products are not magic. They are not chemicals. They are not acid that once you drink it, you feel good, or your tummy flat immediately. No, you go gradually. And once you are on diet with this product, you look fresh, and it will become gradually. People will not even know that you are doing all those things, because you won't look so rough. You'll be good looking as ever, just that you are working on your body, and people will know that this person really reduced some kilo. So that is it, my people. And for the lady that said they don't know how to tell people that that is working, because the one lady told her it's not working. So that is it. That is the secret. Because the lady said you cannot leave all those swallows food, you cannot leave it, and you are taking the booster and you say you cannot leave all those heavy food. It will not work, because the booster is not acid, or it's not chemical that maybe you take it now, and I will tell you now that once you just take one, your tummy will disappear. It's a lie. If somebody tell you that one, is lying. So you have to go gradually, and the thing will be going. It will be working. You that you started it, you bought the carton, which is 90 inside. You have been using it for 2 weeks. Before you start to weigh yourself, you can write it down what you are weighing by that time. And after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you can go again and weigh yourself to see maybe you reduce or you didn't reduce, before you can say that it's not working. Me that I'm here, I'm telling you that it's really working. It's really working. So my people, I'm here to just talk about this business opportunity. I just want to analyze this booster that a lady told me about to you people. So this business opportunity is nothing than, like, the company just want to help people. This company want to help those that are, they don't even, why can't they go to celebrities and give them to celebrities that they should be advertising it for them? Because they want us to benefit inside that money that they say they want to give out to us, which is 155 euros. 155 euro, 155 euro thousands. Now they want to give, not just 1 naira. 155,000 euro, as in for us to come and grab. It's just like they want to help us. They can give it to celebrities that they should do it for them, that they don't care, they will pay them. And celebrities can come outside now and start saying, people will just rush it, but they want us to benefit from it. So the business is just like a river for us to fetch water, for us to grab our. We are many. If this product is not good, you'll not be seeing many people on Facebook. Many people are doing this business, and they are really testifying it that, wow, this business is so good. It has changed so many people's life. People's life have already been changed through this product, through this company, because some people are working hard before, as in hard, and they don't even have time for their kids or for their family or for their self. They don't have time. But once they start this business, they are now testifying that see what had happened. People were testifying it. I said, oh wow, I can see that people were just like, the product is wow. So my people, this business is not what we can just say, this one I don't really understand, Jare. It is just a bullshit. It's not bullshit though. They are paying you. This on the 10 now. I'm expecting plan B. If you are even working, you are working as in real work, you are working, you just to go to work every time, you don't have chance, you are just too occupied, you can do it. 60 euro you register it. Once you come, you can upload your pictures, upload it and write many things about it, share it to many people. People are seeing it because Mrs. A is doing it and it's not working for Mrs. A. It doesn't mean it won't work for you, Mrs. B, because our destiny are different. You can just come into this business and eat up, because this business is just it's overtaking is allowed. Who brought you can overtake him or her. It doesn't, there's no time say you have to wait for who brought you to this business, or you have to wait for the person that introduced you to this business. No, you can just jump into this business and see you moving higher, because our head is different. Because it's not working for Mrs. B doesn't mean it won't work for you, Mrs. B. Because she said it doesn't know how to do it doesn't mean you don't know how to do it. You can try it. You can see that once you just grab it like this, you will see you moving up, up, up. Overtaking is allowed. You can overtake who brought you to the business, because you are not carrying the same head. So don't say the word because Mrs. A says it's not working, that means you are relenting that it's not working. You can't do it because you won't be able to do it. You can do it, my sister. You can do it, my brother. Men are doing it. If you know you are not doing anything at all and you have more than 2 phones, you have laptop, you are just using them to watch films and all that, you can just try it. 60 euro can't tell you not to go anywhere. So my sister, that is why I'm here today, to tell us about this business opportunity, because I can't keep calm. This business is so sweet, and as in I'm enjoying it. That is why I'm here to tell you people that 60 euro can take you higher, beyond your expectation. Because some people are like, I just want to try it, but they just say I want to try it, but now they are in it deeply. They are not stepping an inch. They said this business will die here. Because why did I say they die here? Because you can see grandmas are there, even grandpas are there, men, women, you understand, even my mother and a daughter, they are doing it. So everybody is doing their own. You can't be saying you are tired of looking for money. You can't be tired of finding your financial support to yourself, because if you have the money they pay you on the 10th, you won't come and give me. I won't go and give my upline, or I won't go and give my downline. Everybody have to collect their own salary on the 10th, and everybody will be happy. So that is why I am here to tell you people that this business opportunity is what you cannot miss. You cannot miss this business. You understand? You cannot miss this business opportunity, because this business is thank you for coming. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Yes, thank you for coming. Thank you. So that is why I said let me just come and talk about this business, because I can't keep calm. This thing is just, as in, it's too much. Because once I sit there, I was like, wow, this business is just so genuine. For you to just sign up with 60 euro and your life will just change. It doesn't matter maybe how old you are. So far you are above 18. You are above 18, you can do this business. You are above 18, you can just register. You start doing it. They start giving you everything you need. Immediately they send you your office there. Before a company will open a website for you. If you want to even do your own website and you want to start selling something, you know how much you are going to pay, or you know how much you are going to give them to advertise for you. But this, they will just sign you up, give you your website, give you your office. Okay, you can go on. You are good to go. So from there you will relax. You can do anything you want to do. And after that month, you work out, you sell what your products to people. You make your own money, and on the 10th they pay you your salary without moving an inch. You are not the one that will go and post the goods to them. Only those that I'm posting goods to now is those that bought from Nigeria. If you buy from Nigeria, because the company is not yet in Nigeria for them to ship it to them, they will pay. They will send the money. Then I will buy it. I will be the one to send it to them. But once you are in this Europe, the 27 country that the company is, they will ship it down to you straight. You don't have to stress yourself. Once they order, I can be sleeping while someone is ordering from Dubai. They will order, they will send it to them. All I know that if I check my office, I think that somebody have been there to order goods. You understand? So they will be the one to even draw the money from them. The debt, I don't have anything to do with that. The company will be the one to draw debt. You are not the one, because they bought the product from your website. Mean you are the one that will draw the debt. No, the company will do that, because the company shipped the goods to them. For them to tell you that you can pay in 4 months time, that means the business is legit. Nobody can sell something for you and tell you on the next month to come and pay the remaining money. So yeah, they do it. Thank you. Yes, they do it. So what are we now saying? That the business is not legit. So how legitimate this business want to be? It's just 100% good, and the product is 100% plant-based. They are plant-based products. They are not there's no chemical added to it, no preservative or any other emoji whatever inside. They are all fruits and vegetables. They contain. That is what they contain. No, and everybody needs it. We all eat fruit, we all eat vegetables. So it doesn't that like it's meant for one person, or it's meant for just a person that is having this something in his body. No. If you just be taking it and it will be nourishing your body, make you look fresh, make you look good, make all your immunes stand still, not to be shaking. So that is it. That is the work of all these products. So that is just what we will tell them. And if the person don't really understand you, he can inbox you and you explain. You can invite he or she. You can invite he or she to the Zoom meeting to come and see what people are talking, to come and learn, to come and see what they are talking about the product. Or you can even go to the website and read them. You can change it to English. You can change, if you know how to read in Italy, you can Italo, you can put it there. You can read and see the work and how they made it from the source. For you to take all these berries at a time, at a go. I can't just go there and start to be buying blackberry, buying blueberry, buying strawberry and start eating all of them. No, but everything is here. The 17 varieties is here. You can just take it at a go. That is also with the vegetables. You cannot be eating all these vegetables every day. You can't. So you are taking all the 17s at a go. So what are we now saying? The product is so wow. So that is why I'm here to tell our people, our ladies, we ladies, we can do it. Once the product, the business that grandmas are doing, they are laughing, they are rejoicing. Why we the ladies can't do it? We are just at home, we are not doing anything, we are stay at home, mom. We can try it. We can try it. You can try it and you see. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. So that is why I'm here, to let us to know that this business is not what we can. It's not a child play. It's something that is really good for us. If you are the one that is working and you really need a plan B, you can do it. You can just try it. With 60 euro, you see that your life will just change. You have an extra income. That is what we call extra, because you are the main one that you think you are working is coming, and the extra is coming also. So thanks for watching. Don't just let us be at home doing nothing. If you enjoy playing with us, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We can do it. We can do it. 60 euro is something that we can afford. If you are in Germany, if you are in Italy, France, Spain, Holland, UK, everybody, they are doing it. You can just come and register. Start from somewhere. You start from somewhere now, you see you'll be going up gradually. It's not just a day like that you just jump in and start earning everything. No, gradually. With your hard working, you receive higher money. So that is it. Just for you to tell the people, to tell the world, because as you are saying it, you are saving people's lives. Some people have already tried many things that is not working for them. Just tell them you guarantee this for them. They should write it down what they are weighing now, and later they should weigh again, and they will see the difference. If they can follow it up, not that you will take the product finish now, then you go again and go and turn your big all those food. Fatness is not doing anything in the body, nothing. It will just make you look pelekete. It will make you look boom. It's not able to make you will not be agile. You will not be doing what you want to do easily. You'll be tired. You'll be feeling reluctant. That is the work of fatness. That is the work of the fatness. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. So that is it, my people. It's just 60 euro and they will give you everything you need. That is, you are now a partner. You become your own boss in your home without stressing yourself, without running skater to pack load to people, to send to them, hey, my customer, you want to buy. No, you just be in your house. People, they will do the transfer. Just 4 days, your clients will receive their goods. So they're shipped to everywhere because they are in almost like 27 countries. So you are just your own to be sleeping, to tell people, to tell them what this is made of. Not for you to stress yourself. You are not stressing yourself like that. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you, ma. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. So, my people, that is the reason why I said I can't keep calm. I need to come. I need to tell you people that this business is legit. And with 60 euro, you are good to go. Anywhere you are, you can come. You can inbox me to tell you how it goes, to tell you what you need to bring. And that's just it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'll just tell you what you need to bring, and that's just it. I have been sleeping. I said no, I need to just come out and tell this because I can't just imagine people are like, I'm very broke, I'm broke, or because there's no work now, I'm so tired. Do it. Carry your, so far you have this your smartphone. That's all. You can chat with people, talk to people. Many people are out there, they have not heard about this product. They have not. Talk to them, tell them what it's made of. And once they take it, they will know that this thing is really working. It's really working. That is how you'll be earning. Not that because Mr. A says he can't do it, and because he's so shy to come out or to tell people. Why shy? And people say, why shall I shy? Why shall I shy? For money? For you to, because you are not killing somebody here. You are not going to rob. This is just a business for you to make your own money. You are shy. Kini. Shy pe. Like brother shy say pe kini. For this I can't though. I did. So I can't be shy for because I'm not cursing somebody, and I'm not here to tell people that you are doing, you are this, you are that. I'm here to just to talk about my products. My product that is really working for me. So that is why I'm here, to make many people learn and many people to know more about this product, and to tell them the business opportunity, as in the business opportunity is like what I can't just explain. It's what I can't explain because I've been inside this, I've been on Facebook for ever since. How many years? I know they receive money, I mean they pay. I mean they pay the Facebook, I mean they pay my wife, I mean they subscribe, I mean I'll just use it until they watch. But this now, where I don't see this thing, the money I think they will do subscription, I they see at times. So before I know they see her. But now I'm seeing it because now this is the time that Facebook want to pay me. Because I can even, I will be thanking this my upline. I'll thank her so much because the day I saw her, that was the first day. I don't know her before. I don't know her from any place, from anywhere. I don't know her. But the day I saw her, I was like, this business that this lady is talking about, let me try it. Because I've already heard about the business before, about the product, but I don't know that is the business that everybody can do. I don't know that it's a business that like me, I can do it. I thought it's just like those that have already been long here and they were selling, and they are selling it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So that is why I'm here. That it's not because you cannot. This one is doing it and you cannot do it, or that is why you are saying that this thing is. I don't know, because I know that this product. I've heard about the product, but I don't know that anybody can just join. Because I saw the woman that took it, I was like, wow, who? Because the woman is so fat. But I just see her, I was like, wow, did you go for surgery? Say no, that it was on Juice Plus, this GP for a year now. I said, wow. So you can be like this. That is amazing. I just jumped back to the lady I saw, my upline now. I saw her, I just chatted her that, sis, I am interested in this thing that you're talking about. Though. So that's what I mean. And I just said, let me just try it. May I see. But when I get into it, I know that don't be children home. That's why I say if you are 18 plus, you can do it, because then you don't mature, you don't know what you go feel press, you don't know how you talk to people. It's not, if it is not a legit or it's just ordinary business, you can see everybody jumping into the business. You can see everybody jumping into the business. Excuse me for that. You can see everybody jumping into the business. But now they tell you to for a mature people, from 18 above, you are mature. You can know, you know your right from your left. So that is why I said, no, this business I must stay in. But for me, not only me to hear this again, I need to come out and tell our people that this thing is not a child play. This product is not what you can just look with one corner of the eyes. You can just grab it. We can just use it as a plan B, and just hold it and keep it to our back, and let us be doing what we are doing. You can be a stay-at-home mom. You have children at home. You're not working because of the children. You can't carry them to work. You can't be stressing yourself. You can just do this. This company doesn't ask you to go and rent a shop, or to have a bar, or to have anything anywhere to place the product. You can do it in your home. So far you have a home, you stay. You can do it. Your children won't be disturbing you. Once they are asleep, you can come and do it, or you tell them, okay, mommy wants to do business now, so you calm down. So you can do it from there. You see people coming from anywhere to come and join you, to come and ask you, sis, I really hear what you said on this, on that. People are like, people don't used to buy in Nigeria because the product is not in Nigeria. That is the problem that they are facing, that they really want it. People are even telling them they like the business, it's not yet in Nigeria. It's those of us that are in Europe here that we are still benefiting this product. So there are some people say that they want to buy it, then I can get it and divide it to them. Some people say they want two, I can buy it in pack. I will send it to them. I will collect my money, even if it is one. That is why you are making the business. So far, you order it. Thank you. I appreciate it. So far, you order it. So what are you not saying? So the product is not what is just like that. So the business is a very good business. I love it. The business I've ever heard of on social media, or I heard of in the online business, that is really legit, that is really paying. They don't owe money. They don't owe you your salary. Once it is on the 10th, it's on the 10th. If on the 10th fall on Sunday, they will pay you before that 10. Can you imagine? So what are we not saying? So it is just so legit. So I'm encouraging us, that we are at home. For now, we are not doing anything, but we're still searching for work, or we're still searching for where to start something, or we are just the type that we need to start a business, and we need money. We need money to start this business. Why can't you just start this? And from this, you can get your income. From this, you can get the amount that you are looking for. You can still start another business. It's not that you just stayed on one business, but once this one is just the plan B for you, you can use it. Or you that you want to start with this one as a plan A, it's very good. From starting this with the plan A, before you see another one that you can do as a plan B, that the money will be coming from there. And if you already have a plan A, you can do this as a plan B. It doesn't stop you from doing it. You are not old. Once grammars are there, it doesn't really matter that you need to go to school before coming. No. Juice Plus don't ask you for your certificate. Juice Plus don't ask you for your marriage certificate. They don't ask you for your school certificate, your university, or your results. No, they don't ask you. What they need is for you to know that this is what we are offering you. For you to go out there and make people understand that this is what this thing is good for, and tell them to help people. The company wants us to help people, to tell it to people that we are not doing anything, that we should come and earn, we should come and take out of this money that they have already written, that they want to give it out to us. Why can't we come and grab the money? Why can't we come and grab our own? Let's see, don't just let it go like that. Let us come, let us benefit inside. Because if this product is not good and the company are not paying, you won't see many people. Because I'm not the only one saying this particular thing. I'm not the only one that is coming out for this product. I'm not the only one that is talking about this Juice Plus of a thing. People are there. We are thousands. We are much. And if they are not paying them, or they are not laughing, or they are doing them what is not good, they will come out and be telling you people to come and buy, or they will be telling you that this business is a legit business, or this business is good, or this business is that. For us that we can buy a woman hair that is worth more than 60 euro, why can't you just use that 60 euro to build something, and later it will be germinating? Why let us use the 60 euro to plant? Let's plant it and let's see how it germinates. Because it's just like I don't know. Because I just entered the business, I was like, what will be this one now? I want to start. What will be this? But I just post people that I've not even chatted with in my life. I don't even know them. I don't even see. They will come to you. It doesn't mean that it is somebody next to you that will buy, or it is the person you know that you go and meet. No. Social media is for everybody. In the world, they see it. They chat it up. Then from there, you get your own. At the end of the month, you see your money. The 60 euro that I registered with, I've received the 60 euro. More than. So, we are not, they are not earning from us. We are earning from them, because they want us to get that money. I've collected the 60 euro since, even more than the 60 euro. So it doesn't mean that you just start the business now and now you started seeing the money. It's blood money. No, nah. You have to work. You work for it. Even though you are working at the fabrica, you have to work before they pay you. If you are going in today, now you go to work, you just go and sleep. They will tell you tomorrow you go again, you go and sleep. At the end of the month, they will not pay you your money. You need to work hard. You need to work before they will pay you. So that is it. You need to work. You need to tell them. You need to tell people that don't understand this thing. There are many. The worldwide. The world. There are many. There are some that haven't heard about this thing before in their life. You can be the first person to tell them what this is made of. And you can be the first person to win them. To tell them this is the problem, the solution to the problem you're facing. So, my people, so that is why I'm here, to just tell us that this business opportunity is nothing we can just joke with. It's not something we can joke with. It's something that is real and legit. If you see people that are in this, they are mamas. They are not just rubbish people. They are good-looking men and women. Come and see them. Their life has changed. You can't just be in this business and be looking what. And you cannot be in this business and be smelling. No, never. You will see them rejoicing. Why can't you come and join the winning team? This business is a winning team. We win because we are earning and we are enjoying it. Nobody can say he is in this business and he or she is broke. It's a lie. Unless he's not working hard. Or he will just maybe have to mind about the business. If you are on this business and you really know that this business is really working, and for those that are already patronize you, you see them and the thing is really working for them, you have joy. What are you saying? You will have joy. All those pictures that we are using, they are not Photoshop, that I used to say. They are not Photoshop. They're not just ordinary picture. They are real people, and they are in the business. They are real. We have to ask them. They also ask them first that, can we use your picture? They will say, why not? Let them know that this is what I've been using, and it's worked for them. So that is why we are using the picture. They are not just Photoshop. So that is it, my people. That is why I'm here to tell us about this product and this business opportunity. Don't miss it out. Just try it. Use that 16 euro to build yourself. You can see. Don't say that because this person that I've already been telling you since, so he wants you to come and join me so that they will pay you your money. No, if you join this business today, they won't pay your own money, your salary. They won't pay me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. They won't pay you your salary. They won't give me your salary, and my own salary they won't give it to you. Likewise, you go to my upline. They can't give my own money to her. She only helped me, so I can help someone else to earn. She's collecting her own, and I'm collecting my own. So I don't know her from anywhere. I saw her, and I really appreciate her. She was just so kind, and she just explained everything to me and take me to her own upline. So we are just like a family. If you are here, they will show you how to do everything. Nobody will leave you because you are just new, that you should do it yourself. No. I went to meet her. She showed me everything, and she even take me to her own upline. So anytime I need help, I can call them because they are our boss. Everybody in this business are boss lady, because even my upline people, they used to call me boss lady. Me that I just enter, I'll be boss. That's everybody is a boss lady. So my people, if you are here, this business is just like a paradise. You just be flexing. What to do? Also, you need to carry your computer and start be looking at it like this and be telling people that see what how it you have time for yourself. If you want to cook, you can go there, make your food, you come back to your phone and start selling. So that is it. That is why I'm here to tell you people that no, this business is as in oga. If it's a year oga, and they will say that the business is the product is expensive. Let me tell you about the product now, because the business opportunity is just so sweet. If you are interested in this business, and I will advise we ladies to just try it. We have plenty friends. We mingle with people. Some people even have many people in outside Italy, outside this country. You can tell them this is what you are into now. You can help me to advertise this and that. You can try it. The product is so good. Then you say, okay, let me give it a try. The person that take it and you really see the work that the product don't do for your body, you go even order again before you even know you don't order for your website. So that is it. I can only advise us to just try it. 50 euro is something that we can all we can get. 50 euro is for this our ladies, our Shamprapra ladies. You can get it because this 50 euro is more than what we are wearing. It's more than what we are putting on. So you can just try, and this 60 euro is not something you want to lose. It's something you want to gain on, because just like you planted it and let it germinate. Once it germinates, you fetch, and it will not finish. That is just the business. If you are interested, just inbox me. This business, I will explain everything to you. If you really see how the explanation where I don't give, see how it be, and I even invite you to come and see what people were doing in this Zoom, the meeting. Come and see, come and experience it, come and learn, come and hear them. You will be moved, and I'm serious. You will be moved to do something. You will be moved to learn, to earn this extra money out there. Before me, I can stand there to tell you people that this 60 euro has changed. Like that means something they enter my pangolo for a year, and they really enjoy it. I go collect and tell you that they buy what I need. I don't need to ask person. I don't need to beg. You understand? So that is it. Because many of us now, many people are there. Because if you talk, you tell them the whole world. People are there that before they even collect the salary, they have already spent the money finish. Yes. Before they collect salary, this money they don't share where you want go. You can't manage one way they say you need to keep this, you need to do this. But if you have plan B, if you say that one where you collect now, you don't even spend and finish, you don't use and take do some kind things where you say you don't already get for your mind where you want to. The plan B, you understand that one are just for you. You just use and take day. All right. So that is why people were saying just have it as a plan B if you even have the work that you are doing. And we don't have any plan A, we can start with this product as a plan A. Before you see, you can use this money that you gain from this plan A to start another plan B. So that is how business go. That is how we move in life. If we don't try something, we can't go there. We can't move. If you don't, your bad, they will say, in my dialect, they will say, Omoto shipa, pikin wey do like this, try to move. Mama go carry am. So that is it. So let us try, move. At least let's move. You could not be saying that because my friend is doing it, I can't do it. Hey, look on me. My friend get your own destiny, I get my own. My head day, your own head day. Wetin if he sell where is the sell where they rush for am, I feel the seller may no move for me, I will try something else. Or if they do one, if they good for am, that one no mean say if I do one, e no go good for me. Or because say your friend dey do one, e no good for, you know, sell, or people no buy from am, that means say they no buy from me. No, you do your own, I do my own, because your friends wey I get as friends, you fit no get them. So that is it, my people. So that is why I said this business opportunity is just like, as I said today, I must come. I've been busy ever since I missed a live video. I miss this live video since. I would have come out to tell you people that see, it's not easy for somebody to just be sitting there at home without doing anything. My sister, it's not easy. It's so boring. You just be sleeping, watching film. Even your eyes, when they do you pum 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 pum, you'll be tired. And the extent that you're at home doing nothing, you'll be hungry. Food. So it's not easy for, but if you are doing something, buying and selling, put this together, even though your husband is working, it doesn't stop you. It doesn't. This one is just like extra that you want to get something on your own as a lady, as a woman, as a mother. You can easily take it and do it. You can even use the money to settle some things before your husband will come back from work, or before your husband can even give you the thing. You can already settle some kind of things. So that is why the business is here. So for us that we have only one child, that we are not even doing anything, we don't even have any at all for now. We haven't married, you are just single, you have nothing that is disturbing you. You don't have this one to say stop here, stop there, stop shouting, don't do this. You don't have to give yourself, nobody is disturbing you. Why can't you just try the business? Try it. You are a lady. Once a grandma did this business, they do one, they work for her. So why not? Why can't we just try it? The business is so sweet. You don't have to stress yourself, as I've already said. The juice plus company will be the one to ship the products to them. They will be the one to draw the debt from them. You don't have to do anything. They are not using your document to order it. They are not using your money to order it. All they do is for them. Or if you have somebody that wants to order, that I say I can't order, he can give you the money, I'll order and send it to his house. But if you know you want to order by yourself, you can order and pay in 4 months time. You just click it. They will be the one to draw the money from the owner, the customer, the client. You don't concern. That one don't say because they have not paid. The customers that bought goods, you can see how this company is so amazing. People that bought goods from your website, they haven't paid. It doesn't concern you. I mean, I'm doing it. They will pay me my normal salary. They will pay me my salary because they've already ordered. They are the one that will go and draw the money from them. Not that because the customer that ordered from you didn't pay, they won't pay you. They will pay you. Can you see how sweet the company is? Very, 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 very sweet. It be like sweet when they chop. Even with the product, it's very legit. Now fruit and vegetable, we all need it. We don't chop fruit, we chop vegetables. They are pure plant-based products. They don't add any chemical to it. It's just normal 100% fruit and vegetable with the grind together, make them with food. That's why we call it our meal. So my people, so this business is so sweet and amazing. So that is it for the business opportunity. If you are interested, just inbox me, or you can check my WhatsApp. You can message me on my WhatsApp, or you can inbox me on my messenger. If you are interested, I will just tell you what and what to do. If you are in all those countries that I've mentioned, the US, UK, if you are in Holland, Finland, Spain, Holland, Switzerland, Italy, Germany, as in if you are in all, you can just inbox me. They are there. For you to tell you to get another extra income, you can just inbox me. I will tell you what to do and how to get there. So, and for the product which I've already said, this is the capsule. This is the fruit blend. This is the berry blend, and this is the vegetable blend. So we have it in 3. So for you that you are taking all these fruits, 70 varieties at a go, you just open it, take and once it's morning now. Many like me now, since morning I never eat fruit. Busy or doing 1 or 2 things together. Likewise, you are watching me. So some people like that, doing this one, doing that one, do not even let you remember say you want chop. Talk less or say you want chop fruit. So once you don't take this thing now, you don't cover everything, because they are plant-based, no chemical wey dey inside, na pure fruit, na e dey, pure vegetables, tomato seed, everything they grind down, vegetable, you can see they even draw it there. So you can take it and look fresh, look good, you look charming. You will not be looking, because you are dieting now, you will not be looking pala. No, you'll be dieting and you'll be looking fresh. You'll be dieting and you'll be looking good. So that is it. For those of us that are big and you want to reduce your weight, you can come for this booster. Just the boss, I will tell you how to follow it up. Don't tell me because your friend is using it and it's not working for her, that means you can't work for you. No, maybe your friend is not following it up, because I have a friend like that said he cannot leave semo, he cannot leave heavy food, like by 8 he must chop a big semo, and he can't work now. I don't tell her, this thing no be chemical, it no be acid wey you drink wey go come stream your body or ash something. It will work gradually, and if you follow it up, it will surely work. You take it, you relax your mind, you take something light, you go for fruits, you go for vegetable, there's salad, there's many light things that you can eat that is not heavy, that don't contain too much fat. You eat proteinous food, you go for fish, you boil it, you cook it, you can chop, you can eat it like that, you chop it like that. But you chop belle full, not be say that you are on diet, you will starve yourself, you will not eat in the morning, and maybe someone in the evening, I don't eat with that. No, you'll be looking so rough. But if you are diet, you need to eat normal food, eat your healthy food, eat fruit, belle full, eat vegetable, belle full, drink your shake, put this inside your fruit. If you don't cut the fruit for there, once you don't take this one and you want the work to work for you, don't take this one and go and eat a lot of semo. Not that you will not eat your normal food, you can eat it, but eat healthy. Eat healthy. Not chop eating. This one will make you full. You get fuller. Once you take this booster, you will not be hungry, unnecessary hunger. Hunger no go dey come, or unnecessary one. Come, may I chop this one, chop am. Try this one, chop am. If you take this one, you will full. Even if you want eat your food, if you just eat small, you'll be okay, because this one have already full you. That's why they call you. That is why they call it full booster. It will boost you to make you look fuller. Burn all those excess fats away. That's why they call this one also our meal, because all of our food, they don't grind our food for inside. I make us they call them our meal, because it's so delicious. It's our egusi, our ogbolo, semo, rice, yam, egg, everything there inside. They don't grind our food for it. So that's why we call it our meal. Very delicious. If you just cut your fruits, put for your blender like this. Put 1 cup of this blender. My next video now, I will blend. I will show you, because I've already taken my lunch before, my dinner before coming here. I don't even know I will do this video this night. I will come online this evening. So I just eat before. I just said before I will just go and shower, because I went out. Let me just come to say a little thing, to explain how this thing goes, and for the business opportunity, because I can't keep calm. So that is it. You use this one after taking it. You dey okay. You cut your fruits inside blender. You put 1 cup of this. The cup there inside. You put 1 cup. Wait, follow and come. Let me show you guys the cup. This is the cup. This you have to put 1 cup of this inside the fruit that you cut into your blender. Then you add water or milk, 0%, any milk. You can use almond milk, you can use any coconut milk, any milk of your choice, which is 0%. You pour it inside. Then you blend. After blending it, you drink it. You put it in your cup. You're full. You're there okay. Then you can relax, or you can be doing whatever you want to do. So that is why they call it a meal. You can use it for breakfast. You can use it for your dinner, even for your lunch. Anytime you wish to use it, you take it and you're okay. So that is it. For them, these are kids' own too. The capsule, these are the kids' own. For them to have it for kids. So I've already said it's not harmful. Why I've been saying that this product is not harmful, that it don't have side effects is because it is pure plants, and nobody will be eating pure fruits and vegetables. Nobody will be eating fruit and tell me that it has side effects on him or her, that after I take this fruit finish, now in my head come bend go this side, or after I take this fruit and eat all this fruit finish, now in my belly come big go. No, that is why I said it, that it doesn't have side effect, because it has no chemical. They didn't preserve it with any other any chemical or any harmful whatever, that I will tell you that take it before eating, take it before doing this. No, it is just pure plant-based products. That's what all these things contain. So for them to have it for kids, it's considered it's not harmful. That is why I used to say that it's not harmful and it doesn't have side effect, because it is plain 100% fruits and vegetables. You cannot be saying vegetable is harmful for body. No. Instead of may harm you, may do you bad for body, go they freshen your body, or they look good. That is just it. That is why I keep saying it, that it doesn't have side effects. People will be saying they want to buy, they'll be asking about the product, they'll be saying, hope it doesn't have side effects. But if you are drinking Coke that even contain more sugar, we won't ask maybe it have side effects because you are drinking it, because it's now drug supplements that we are asking. It doesn't have, because it's just plain fruits and vegetables. That ain't the grant for all this place. Fruits and vegetables, that is what they contain. 30 varieties that ain't there inside this thing. And this one, we have 17. We have 17, and this one we have that they grind together all the fruit and vegetables. We have 30 varieties of fruit and vegetables. So, and people, if you take that as they go, can't tell me how your body no go dey fresh. You go fresh, you go look good. So that is it, my people. And for the kids' own, if you want it for your kids, it's chewable. It's chewable. It will make them, they won't sick, they won't have all those flu, all those cough, all those naughty things in the body. It will cure everything. That is the work of this capsule. It's reduce many risk of any form of diseases in our body. It reduces it, and it gives way to pregnancy. Those that are looking for fruit of the womb, it clears the wombs. It gives you healthy body. It gives you healthy engine. That if you are looking, you can take it. It will clear all those jaga inside your body to away. So that is it. It contains many things. So that is the work of this booster, this capsule, our fruits, our berries, and our vegetables. Thank you. Thank you. So that is it. You look so good, so that people that are seeing you, they will be asking you, my lady, what are you taking? Then I see what I take. You will kill from inside. There are some people that is very hard, that you have already been using cream. Instead of the people's to go to make you look fair, it will fair you that you are black, you now look fair. It's because it will go and it will come back. But if you are taking this now, it will regulate the inside, so that what you to bring outside, it will be fresh. So it will keep them from inside. So my people, that is what I have for you today. Tomorrow, by God's grace, or next tomorrow, I will show you guys how to make the fruits, to make it as your maybe I will make it at lunch or dinner. Tomorrow or next tomorrow, I'll show you guys how to do it. So my people, I will be going now. I love you all, and thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate you. You can win so there that are really facing a lot. Let them come. There is nothing God cannot do. So thank you all. I appreciate you. I appreciate. Thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in the business opportunity, you can still let me know. I will show you how to go about it and how to earn an extra income within a year. Within every month you receive your salary, you look good. No need to borrow. Start borrow me this one, start borrow me that one. No, because you'll be waiting at this month end. May I collect my money? What I want use money do me I could do, because you are expecting something from plan B. So that is why I said plan B is so important for us. Even though we are working, we can still have this one as a plan B. That money will be coming in You are not here to come and abuse somebody. You are not here to come and curse somebody. You are not stealing from anybody. You are just here to make people to understand that this is what your product is good for, and you want them to come and test it. You want them to come and try it. I don't think that one is harmful. They can't come outside and start saying, I saw you on your video, you abuse me, because it's my video and I'm not abusing anybody. So you can come and tell them, sister, this is what this thing is work for. Then you see people messaging you that they really want to know how the product looks like. So that is it, my people. Don't be shy. Come, message me one-on-one, or you can message me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, and you can even inbox me on my Facebook, on my Messenger. I will tell you how it goes. I will tell you what to do and how to do it and how to earn it and what you need to do for you to see people, for you to know how the thing works and how you can earn your money every month. So that is it, my people. I have to go now. This is the chewable I've already said for kids. This is the booster to lose weight. This is the booster. If you're interested, you can inbox me. This is the booster, and this is the capsule. The capsule, the 3 capsules, the fruit, the vegetable, and the berries, and also my shake, the chocolate and the vanilla. Chocolate and vanilla. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. One love. Thank you all. I appreciate. See you soon. See you soon. And for this week's in here, they're available in different colors. They're available for sale. You can ship it to you anywhere you are. You can just inbox me if you need any color, any length. These are just samples. If you need the color, anyone you need, you can send it to me. The one you have that you need, maybe I have it here. I will still let you know. Thank you all. One love. Bye.